Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make rosemary garlic roasted chicken with yellow and sweet potatoes. Step 1. Chicken. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of softened salted butter. Add 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped rosemary leaves. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. With a fork, mix all the ingredients. Take 4 to 6 pounds whole chicken and make pockets with fingers. Make the pockets by separating the skin carefully from the chicken breast and thighs. The chicken should be at room temperature and not right out of the fridge. Take butter and insert it inside the created pockets. Once the butter is inside the created pocket, press it to spread it. Keep some butter aside. Take the remaining butter and put it on top of the chicken and massage the whole chicken with it. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and season the whole chicken. Insert half a lemon. Also add 1 whole garlic bulb inside the chicken cavity. Tie the chicken legs with kitchen twine. Place onion rings in the middle of the roasting pan. Place the chicken on top of the onion rings. Tuck in the chicken wings. Step 2. Sweet and yellow potatoes. In a bowl, add 1 cubed sweet potato and 2 to 3 yellow potatoes. Add 1 teaspoon of dried parsley. Add 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary or fresh rosemary leaves. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Drizzle some olive oil. Salt to taste. Mix well. Add whole bulb of garlic, washed, separated and skin on. Do not remove the skin or it will burn. Mix well. Preheat the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Add the potatoes around the chicken. Season the chicken with salt and pepper. Roast chicken on 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes uncovered without opening the oven. To check the chicken is done, put the thermometer in the fattest part of the thigh and it should read 170 degrees. If you do not have a thermometer, cut the thigh, and if the water runs clear, it's done. Let the chicken sit for 5 to 10 minutes before carving. Yum, the chicken's so juicy. It was delicious. Enjoy! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, comment and share. Thank you for watching Creative Moments. Bye!